Sophie and Max, two young scientists who are ready to explore the exciting world of science. Today they are going to conduct a fun and educational experiment. Let's see what they are up to.
Hi, everyone! Today, we are going to conduct an experiment to learn more about chemistry.
That's right! We are going to mix two chemical substances and observe what happens.
We have all the equipment we need, such as test tubes, beakers, and other scientific equipment.
And we have our safety goggles on, because safety always comes first in science.
First, we need to add some baking soda to a beaker.
Then, we need to add some vinegar to the beaker.
Oh, look! The baking soda and vinegar are reacting.
Wow, that's amazing! Look at all those bubbles!
The reaction is producing carbon dioxide gas, which is responsible for the bubbles.
The reaction also produces sodium acetate and water.
This experiment was so much fun. We learned about chemical reactions and how different substances can react with each other.
If you want to learn more about science, be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more exciting experiments.
That's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching this fun and educational science experiment with Sophie and Max. See you again soon. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. Thanks for watching.